What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another adventure with the Bearded Bobber. I'm bearded. She's the Bobber. And today's adventure, you know what? We're going to start off with saying Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, spending it with family, friends, and that's going to be the main point of this video, is what I'm thankful for. And I have a lot recently to be thankful for, and feeling very blessed about that. All right. Oh, the city's so gorgeous. Sarcasm. First thing first, the Indian Motorcycle World will be having a live stream on December 1st, Saturday night, normal time, 11 Pacific Standard Time. So look out for that. Should be a lot of fun, as usual. Can't wait to get back with the guys and do all that stuff. Now, on to just the channel update besides that. Oh, and it will be on my channel, as usual. Nobody else wants to host, so it's on me to host. But I'll take it. I'll take it. So, hope to see you guys there. If you're already subscribed, you'll get a thing next week when I make the the post for where it's going to be. It'll let you know like how long till blah 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 in your time zone. All in the normal stuff you guys already know. And if you're curious and you don't know what's going on, then just ask me some questions. DM me, comment, Instagram, any of that stuff, and I'll let you know. Now, channel update. As of making this video, I was at 643 subs. Thank you guys so much. I didn't get a chance to say thank you at 600. It means the world to me. You guys really don't know. Like, that's one of the things I'm truly thankful for, is everybody I'm meeting, all the content creators, everything like that. It's been great. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, you should totally do that, because I like to post stuff there and ask questions. Future would like to plan campouts, bike nights, takeovers, like let's see, Lake Havasu, trip to Laughlin River Run, all kinds of stuff. A lot of plans for the future. All right, let's get on to the main part of the video. How about that, guys? Sound good? I know this does. Woo. Now, like I was saying earlier, first thing I'm gonna mention, and nothing is in order. There's no competition here. I'm very thankful for all of you guys watching my adventures, commenting, other content creators. I love your guys' videos. I've loved getting in touch with you guys and talking to you guys. You're fantastic. All the Indian Motorcycle World guys that I first started watching before I became a YouTuber, motovlogger, content creator, whatever box you want to put it in. I'm very thankful from the bottom of my heart, guys. This is awesome, and I can't wait to see where it goes. So my beautiful girlfriend, the Bearded Lady on Instagram, maybe potentially her own channel later on, who knows, we'll see. I don't know if Bearded Lady will work though, for her channel name. We'll have to figure something out for that one. It's not as easy as Miss Blockhead, Miss Bearded, I don't know. We got potential though. We have been together for 2 years. 2 wonderful years. And I'm very, very thankful to have her in my life and her family. But having her in my life was actually a big step towards this. I saw the Bobber, and she was a big one. Like, she grew up in a motorcycle family. Her dad still rides, her sister rides, and then now we got her a bike after we got the Bobber. So we all ride. My dad's getting back into riding after being out of it for a couple decades. But she was definitely like very supportive, where a lot of girlfriends are not supportive about this kind of thing. They're, oh no, motorcycles are dangerous, so you shouldn't do that. Be careful, be safe. She uses a lot of supportive terms, and that's, you know, what it needs to be. It needs to be a supportive thing. And I love that. And it's something that we get to share and be a part of, and it's gotten me to do YouTube and motovlogging and all that stuff. And then my 3 wonderful children. One of the best things that ever happened to me, through all bullshit, all the life, all the craziness. Those 3 kids have been great. My oldest is 11. I talked about this in my 3x3 challenge. She's going to be 12 in April. And my youngest just turned 6. My oldest is wanting to get into motorcycles. She loves riding, getting a ride to school on the bobber, and she's all about it. So I'm dealing with that, and that's a whole nother thing that, you know, to get into later on. I have some great people in my life. A lot of the work that I've been doing the last 10 years has been paying off. I got a great business partner. There's so much that, you know, it's like you wonder why you're going through all this bullshit in life, and I've gone through quite a bit of it. And I'm not going to be here, you know, to bitch and moan about it either. But you know what? This is going to start one of my first things that I want to start doing. Quotes. I love movies, and I think I'm going to start throwing quotes in there on my videos. Little ones, nothing crazy, but the first one, life's a garden, and you got to dig it. If you don't know what movie that's from, it's from Joe Dirt. You know, life's a garden, you got to dig it, man. You got to keep on keeping on. It's such a small random thing, but when you really think about it, that's like a big way I've left my life, and just keep going, and it finally fix our fucking roads, California. You want to be crazy about things, fix them. Get bucked off my damn bike. Back on topic. So those pieces are finally coming together. You get those puzzle pieces, and none of them look like they're going to work. And finally, you get the frame together, and you start building up the pieces, and you really start getting an eye of what's going on. What are some things you guys are thankful for? I'm actually curious, you know, or just what's one thing? You know, leave a comment. Let's talk about it. You know, I love talking with you guys, and I think it's a good topic. Another question is, what's your guys' favorite holiday? I think I'm going to shock you when I say Thanksgiving is actually my favorite holiday, and it's not about food. I get it. It looks like it would be about food, but it's not. I actually love cooking, and me and my lady are going to be cooking, well, today, when you guys watch this video, tomorrow, for right this second, we're going to be cooking together, and it's a lot of fun. We get to get up, get all that stuff going, get the family over, and I think that's really cool. My second favorite holiday, and they're very close together, 4th of July. I love partying. Not like, oh, I'm getting shit-faced like partying, but being able to come together. I am patriotic. Come together, go to the lake, watch fireworks. That's a lot of fun. It's usually a really good experience, and I really try to make it a really good experience. Another thing to be thankful for. 100 reasons to be thankful right here. Okay, guys, I'm getting back to work. So like always, stay safe and stay classy.